અવાજ આવે છે. કોઈની જવાની ઈચ્છા તો થઈ શકે છે. નોટ ફોર્સ ટુ સિટ હિયર. આ બધા લોકોએ તમને સાંભળ્યું છે એટલે તમારું પણ રાઈટ બને કે આ લોકોને સાંભળવું છે. ઈચ્છાની તો બહાર જઈ શકે છે. ડોન્ટ ફોર્સ. ચલો કન્ટિન્યુ પ્રોપરલી સ્પીક લાઉડ.
Hello, good morning. I am Evian. I am a student. I am studying in 6th standard. I have had exam of 4th standard and my school name is Samiti English Medium School. It is located in South Zone, Utna Surat. About my family, there are 4 members in my family. And such as parents, I have brother and not sister. And my father is a businessman. He is doing business of advocate, and my mother is a housewife. And my brother study in the English medium. His school name is Samiti English Medium School.
Brother, he.
His school name is Samiti English Medium School. It is located in South Zone, Surat. And I live in a VRC temple.
Near PRC Temple.
Near VRC temple. And it is located in Orient Complex. Owner Surveyor Teacher Satish Pawar sir and my English is first I have joined these classes in last 2 weeks. And my English is.
Hello and good morning to everyone. My name is Dia. I am a student. I just completed 12th standard from experimental school in commerce stream. We are 8 members in my family, such as my parents. I have one brother. He is studying in 6th standard. Today my topic is about my daily routine in future simple tense. So tomorrow I will wake up at 6 o'clock. Then I will go for bath, and after bath I take my milk and go for college at 6:45 a.m. in the morning. Then I will attend my lectures and all. After come back at home, I will fresh enough. Then I will do my some college work and some spoken English class homework. That's all. And after that I take my lunch at I will take my lunch at 12 o'clock at noon. And after that I take rest for 2 hours. Then I go for my spoken English classes at 4 o'clock in the evening. After that after come back at 6:45 in the evening. I do some homework of I learn some words, verbs, and trying to speak in English, practicing about speaking English. Then after that I take my dinner at 8 o'clock. After that I am watching series in mobile phone. And at the last I pray to God and go to sleep at 11 o'clock. Thank you for listening.
In Surat. Right now I'm a corporate employee. So I am doing job in corporate sector from last 10 years. I have 10 year experience in networking stream. Okay, first of all, talk about my family. In my family, we have 6 members. My father is doing a job in at Diamond, and my mom is housewife. My wife is also housewife. I have 2-year-old baby boy, and my younger sister is doing MBA in college. Okay. Before in Surat, I was completed a graduation in BA, that Bachelor of Art in Literature at Pratap College in Amalner at Maharashtra. From that there, I was in maybe in 2012. I was started that course, which was the which was in IHT. Okay, in that course, I was learn that about all that networking software, hardware, and decide to go with the networking stream. Right now, I'm working with CTS. It's a hosting services provider company which is located in that UK. And here is the branch office. I'm operating the branch office with the manager and handling the day-to-day customers which having the issues which want to create the rules in firewalls and all the technical things that. And after that, I want to make myself to fluent in English. That's why I came here. And my future goal is to become a system and network administrator to handle all large enterprise network and to control all the things. Okay, and to manage my teams also. That's it.
Okay. अब देखिए अभी आपने क्या किया what you do yes still you how does your mind work start okay I just say you before getting you chance so right now when you was at your seat so your process is going on was in your mind okay so when I'll speak then you got your number then what you do the all data you have you directly publish in front of the all okay so you can be speak at least 5 minutes understood so you can speak your all means अंदर जो feeling चल रही है what feeling is going on in your mind so that you can be published slowly but what happened एक spirit है but उसको ना धीरे धीरे बाहर ला इसके बीच में क्या हो रहा है थोड़ी थोड़ी मिस्टेक बाहर आ रही है you know so उसे improve करना तो एक चीज ध्यान रखो कि जो भी आपको बोलना है आपकी जो स्पीड है your speed of your speaking जो वर्ड पर मिनट हम बोलते हैं दैट यू हैव टू रिड्यूस वो रिड्यूस कर दिया उससे क्या होगा एक्यूरेसी में लेके आप और मेन थिंग क्या होगी कि जो भी आप पब्लिश करना चाहते हो यू कैन पब्लिश रीच टू द पीपल मतलब जो भी आपके ऑडियंस को आप सुनाना चाहते हो दे कैन बी अंडरस्टैंड प्रॉपर और आप जो डेटा आपके पास में है 2 मिनट का ही डेटा है लेकिन उसको 5 मिनट में बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से आप पब्लिश कर पाओगे सो दैट यू हैव टू सम ग्रामेटिकल्स इज सो दैट लाइक आप हर एक चीज में वॉज का प्रयोग बहुत ज्यादा करते हो बट यहाँ पे वॉज की कोई जरूरत नहीं जैसे आपने बताया कि आई वाज लर्नड मैनी मोर थिंग्स तो यहाँ पे आई लर्नड आई रखे हो जब हम बोलते हैं ना कि मैंने पास में ये चीज किया कि यू सेड दैट व्हेन आई वाज स्टडीइंग तो वहां पे पास कंटिन्यूस हो जाएगा व्हेन आई वाज studying in Pratap College. So I learned, not I was learned, I learned many more things. Okay, and I was not completed. I have completed. जो चीज आपने कंप्लीट कर ली नो अभी भी आपके पास में तो that's called I have completed.